Russian designers from the Perm-based design bureau Labi have developed a kit to convert the PKT tank machine gun into an infantry and mobile fire group version, designated PKZT. The developers announced this on their Telegram channel. According to the concept, the PKZT is intended for use as an anti-aircraft machine gun by mobile fire teams when mounted on a tripod. At the same time, the developers say it retains the characteristics of an infantry machine gun. It is fitted with a bipod, sling attachments, and other features. The short, Z-shaped stock allows proper handling with the support hand both in the prone position and when operating from a tripod. Russian servicemen commenting under the post said the availability of such a converted machine gun would be a significant improvement for mobile fire teams, which are often issued Soviet-era DP-27 and DPM machine guns dating back to World War II. According to the developers, it is often noted that the PKT has a longer barrel, 722 mm compared with 650 mm on the PKM, and is heavier at 3.23 kilograms versus 2.6 kilograms. However, they stress that the two weapons are fundamentally different, sharing only the receiver frame and bolt. In the PKT, everything is built around rigidity. The receiver is thicker, the front section is more massive and secured with a larger number of rivets. The rear section is fully milled, including the cover latch. The receiver cover is reinforced with its front section milled. All small components, such as pins, are milled as well, the developers shared. By contrast, the PKM was designed from the outset as an infantry general-purpose machine gun, with weight reduction as a priority. As a result, after conversion, the PKT allows a significantly higher rate of fire by adjusting the gas regulator and bolt carrier buffer. The heavier barrel also enables more sustained fire in long bursts compared with the PKM. According to feedback from Russian servicemen who tested the weapon, the converted PKT is slightly longer, but overall, after addressing minor shortcomings, it could become a successful product. A PKZT equipped with a thermal sight, bipod, and mount for the Pervorolsk tripod weighs 16.5 kilograms, compared with 12.5 kilograms for the PKM. I don't see a problem in making a very good machine gun, even for infantry use. If you are physically strong and can handle a PKM, then you can handle a PKT in this configuration. It's just a bit unusual that you are closer to the thermal sight, that's all. Overall, I think it's a very good machine gun, and it can be refined to eliminate the minor issues, the soldier said. In July 2023, Russian invasion units involved in the war against Ukraine began receiving RPL-20 light machine guns in 5.45 mm caliber. The weapons were initially issued to airborne assault units from Stavropol and Novorossiysk, which at the time were deployed in occupied areas of Ukraine's Zaporizhia region. The light machine gun, weighing 5.5 kilograms, has compact dimensions and is intended to increase the fire density of assault groups without reducing troop mobility.